If you have tried everything but still viewers aren't still coming, here are the 5 powerful things you must do next. New YouTubers overlook. At first, when I started newly, I don't get views. Upon trying so many things, turning some settings on and off, changing titles, thumbnails, like trying so many things, I still stuck at 0 subscribers and 0 views until I applied this strategy on my channel, and boom, I started getting views. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. So the first thing I did was to stop chasing for subscribers. What I did was to go back to my previous video. I went to my channel, checked through my videos, checked the impression, checked the video that gave me those subscribers, and start making similar videos on my channel. Because you know, when YouTube sees that the few subscribers you have are watching your videos, like they are watching and they are also engaging, they will start pushing the video more, because they will know that these people are watching, like this video is making sense. Since these people are watching, like for example, you get 20 subscribers and 15 of them are always clicking on your video anytime you post it, it will make YouTube to continue pushing that video. And when they continue pushing it, and if people are engaging, like they are commenting and liking, they will push it to more people and you start getting views and getting subscribers. So the second thing you have to do is to make YouTube to recognize your channel. How do you do this? You know that YouTube algorithm works on humans' behavior. So when they see that people are engaging on this video, liking, commenting, they will continue to push that video. So when you post your video and stay up to 3 hours and you do not get any views, or you get few views, all you have to do is to create so many accounts, because you know that during that 3 hours they will use it to give you your viewers duration, like your retention, click-through rate, and your impression. Like after 3 hours and they did not see any possible, like any improvement on that video, they will just dump that video and they will not recommend it again. So what you have to do is to create 3 or 4 accounts, even 5 or 10. You can do that. Then after posting the video, stay like up to 1 hour and watch it with one of the accounts. If you watch the video, make sure that you watch it till the end. Then click on like the video, comment. After commenting, stay about like 1 hour again and use other account. Just do this like 1 hour apart. Watch that video and make sure that you watch it till the end. This will make YouTube to push that video to more people, because the algorithm will see that people are watching this video. Not only that they are watching, they are also commenting and they are also liking. So always do this on your video, so that it will give signal to the algorithm that this video is making sense. That is the second thing you need to do on your video. Always. So the third thing you need to do is to always check your analytics. You know, most beginners will just post and pray, but YouTube actually give us free data to check and know what is happening on our channel. So all you have to do is to go to YouTube Studio Analytics and click on your audience retention to know where people actually stop. You can as well edit that part if all the things you say on that video is making sense. That part that people always stop at, you can just edit it and cut that side off, so that other people that is going to watch that video will continue watching it. So another thing you have to do again is to go to your impression. If you go to your impression, you check whether YouTube really pushed that video or YouTube did not push it. If YouTube actually pushed that video to so many people and people are not clicking, you know that the problem is coming from your thumbnail or your title. So all you have to do is to regrade your thumbnail and change your title, so that people will start clicking on that video. Always do this. Always check your impression to know what is happening on your video. So that is the number 3 thing you need to do. And the fourth one is putting more effort in the 10 seconds of your video. Let's be honest, if the 10 seconds of your video doesn't grab attention, people will just click off. That is the truth, no matter the fancy editing that you put on it. So instead of you to be saying, hi guys, or you are welcome back to my channel, you can say this is the main reason that you are not getting views on your channel and how to fix it. This will make people to still stick on the video and know what is happening next, and know what you are going to say next, and know what is the reason that you are not getting views on your video. Like, the people really want to solve their problem, so just go straight to the point. That will make people to stick on that video before you can actually deliver. You can start with value, curiosity, and then deliver whatever thing you have for them. And the last one is giving up too fast. This one hits hard, right? But most creators like quit before the breakthrough. Like, so many people create 10, 20, 50 video and just quit because it's not doing well. But you don't know whether it's the 90th video that will push you through, that will make you to get everything that you have been longing for. Like, you know, one video can give you your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers, and since you stop at 10th video, you will not get there. That is why you need to be posting your video, pushing through every time. If this one did not give you whatever thing you are looking for, you can just switch to another one. Great video. Like, when you get angry for posting video that didn't make well, the only thing you have to do to make yourself happy is to create another one and post it. If that one did not go well, create another one and post it. At the end, you will surely get views. So try all those things that I said. So here you have it, 5 powerful things that could be holding your channel back without you even realizing it. Now it's your turn. Which one hits you the hardest? Drop it in the comment section, and like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tips and turn the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Keep posting, keep improving, keep learning, and your breakthrough is on the way. See you in my next video.